What's going on, everybody? Little guy back here with the Truck Boss Show, and we're going to continue talking about things needed, important, essential tools to get the job done safely. Okay? And one of them is this thing right here. This is a CB radio, you guys. Now, I know the CB radio is not as popular as it used to be back in its heyday. But let me tell you, this thing will save your butt, okay? This thing will save your butt. This winter has been brutal to everybody. There's been a lot of pileups, a lot of road closures, a lot of everything, okay? Now, if you would just have this simple tool and know how to properly use it, you could probably save yourself a lot of pain and suffering. For instance, hey, northbound, what's over your shoulder? That basically means that you're heading southbound and you're asking the northbound guys what's going on behind them, so that way you know what's going on ahead of you. If drivers would use this more often, we could probably stop a lot of pileups, believe it or not. Same thing, same situation the other way. Hey, southbound, you got a wreck up ahead. Get ready to start slowing down. Okay? The trick is to use this thing and use it and use it and use it. Not only when it's convenient for you, but hey, you're driving, all of a sudden you see a wreck. Hey, you see a cop sitting there on the side, whatever. Hey, you got a full grown sitting there. Southbound, watch out. Look, this thing is not expensive, okay? You can get one at a truck stop for about $100. All of the trucks come pre-wired. I don't want to say all of them. 99% of them do. Come pre-wired with the CB power, antenna, and even a little external speaker here. Most of them have all this. Some of them don't. But then again, most of them do. So there's no excuse. Get a CB radio. Find me on Channel 19. And let's be safe out there.